Hello Sentients. Today we are going to learn from this book. We are going to learn from the phonic drill book. And what are we going to learn? Tell me, do you know? Yes, we are going to learn the sound of vowel EA words. What are we going to learn? Sound of vowel EA words. You all must be having this book with you. So come on, open the page and speak it with me. First, let's see how EA is pronounced and spoken. How is it said? EA says E. Say it with me. E. Yes. So we will read EA as E. B. E. A. K. That makes it beak. Say it again. Beak. Yes. P. E. A. K. Beak. Shabash. Very nice. Excellent. W. E. A. K. Weak. B. E. A. T. Beat. H. E. A. T. Heat. M. E. A. T. Meat. Very nice. Very nice. I know you are able to say it. N. E. A. T. Neat. S. E. A. T. Seat. B. E. A. S. T. Beast. F. E. A. S. T. Feast. L. E. A. S. T. Least. C. R. E. A. M. Cream. D. R. E. A. M. Dream. S. C. R. E. A. M. Scream. Very good. Now clap for yourselves. Acha, what do you mean by scream? Do you scream at home? Scream means to shout. Yes, we shout sometimes. Very good. I know you all have said all the words very well and very nicely. Okay?